For this video tutorial, I will show you how to use the rank tracker feature of Market Samurai for the client's projects. So once you open the Market Samurai, just click on New Project. After the new project, enter your keywords. For this example, I will use promotional product supplier at modern promotions. So I will enter one keyword. I will put the title promotional product supplier.com.au. Since PPS is targeting Australian market, we will need to change the country or territory settings. We'll need to change it to Australia. If your project is targeting US market, you have to change this to US, United States. But for this example, I will be using Australian market. If you use US here and you are trying to get ranked results for promotional product suppliers, you won't get an accurate rank tracking results, since it will be checking google.com, and we need to check the rankings for google.com.au. So click create, go to rank tracker, once you're in rank tracker, just select Google. If needed, if you need to track the rankings from Yahoo and Bing, just click on Yahoo and Bing. Just put check marks, then add your keywords. For this example, I will copy paste all keywords from PPS. I have pasted the keywords in the keywords field. Then you add keywords. After adding the keywords, check this box to check all keywords. For this example, I will just get the ranking for Google, so it will not load very long. After checking here, you need to add domains. I have added the domain with www and without the www, so that it, the results from Google, which displays the www on the PPS site with the www, will also be included. Then you add domains. After you add the domains, you choose here if you want to get results for the top 100 or top 50. For this example, let's just set this to top 20 so that it will run faster. The higher the number here, the longer it will fetch data, and the more search engines you check, the longer it will also fetch the data you need. So I will then you click update rank data. As you can see, it is checking for broad match of the ranking of your project sites. So I will just pause the video first and resume it later after the results are finished. So now we have the results for the rank tracking. As you can see, this uh, field here is displaying the ranking of the keywords for google.com.au. We can see that there are a lot of keywords. The ranking PPS is ranking number 1, and it displays the PR, the backlinks count. If you scroll down, you will see this sign. It's plus because it is the PPS is inside the SERP's result, which is search engine result page, but it is higher than rank higher than the 20th rank. So for promotional product supplier Melbourne, P PPS is actually not found in the top 1000. So this is for rank tracking. Each month you will just have to update your rank data and export the results and provide a detailed report so that we can evaluate the rankings and shift the campaigns on other keywords. For example, if we continue this keyword promotional cheese board and knives, which is already ranking number 1, it will not create the campaign will not be as effective since we also want to rank other keywords, and these keywords just need maintenance, not a full effort SEO campaign. So what we are gonna do is shift the campaigns to these keywords below, which are not yet on the SERPs, or the keywords which are not yet on first page of Google. So I think that's all for rank tracking. If you have any questions, please let me know.